Advice on desensitizing my dog to scary sounds without a loudspeaker or way to replicate them? One issue I have with my dog is he gets very scared, lots of shivering, heavy panting, fast heart rate, unresponsive, when there are a few certain sounds and unexpected noises. I've tried several things to desensitize him, but I can't seem to comfort him with these 3 sounds mainly that cause this. 1. Loud thunder. 2. Snow/ice falling off my roof and hitting the wood deck. 3. Fireworks. All 3 of these sounds I can't replicate in the normal way that I see suggested all the time, which is to play them on a speaker and increase volume. I don't have big speakers, and the speakers I do have are not loud enough or bass wide enough to produce that sound. He also can easily distinguish the sound is not coming from outside, and he doesn't get scared of it when played on a speaker. It's also the surprise factor. All these sounds come suddenly, and usually he's sleeping and resting, then they just happen. I live alone and it's very quiet in my house, so these sounds are very loud and surprising. Especially the snow falling from the roof. I have a high roof and it makes quite a loud bang when it lands. Even I get a little shocked, so I feel bad for him because he has no clue what's happening. I try to play with him and give treats and make the sounds positive when they happen, but as soon as the first one happens he immediately starts shaking and is terrified. Then it is hard to get him out of that mode. He becomes somewhat unresponsive and is kinda in shutdown mode. I also am surprised by the sounds and can't really predict when they will happen. The snow falling is the one that happens the most often, and it just randomly happens. If I could predict it, I could try to distract him or create a positive scenario when it happens, but it's just random. Same with fireworks. Sometimes there will be lots, sometimes none on the firework days. I've tried an ear cover and a thunder shirt, neither worked. Is there any way to desensitize him to these unexpected loud sounds without a speaker? How can I try to make them positive experiences? The snow falling from the roof, I do have one idea that I think I can replicate. I'm going to fill a ball with some water and I can throw it on my roof and let it fall on the deck. That will sound pretty similar to the snow falling. I can give him some treats/lip mat/bone and even have the door open to show him it's not scary, and I think that will help.